Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or disable start with photos visible on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on apps. Scroll down the house page until you get to messages and then click on it. Scroll down messages, locate conversation backgrounds and turn it on. Then it should say start with photos visible. You can now go ahead, turn this on or turn it off. If conversion background is disabled, this is going to disable the start with photos visible. If conversion background is enabled, then this is going to enable start with photos visible on your iOS 26 iPhone. Do not turn on or turn off start with photos visible. All you simply need to do is toggle this on and off, and that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.